Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize a logo in your Shopify store. A unique logo adds personality to your store and helps build brand recognition. So let's jump right in. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on online store in the left hand side menu here. Under themes, click on customize button here and enter your theme editor. Now, to add your logo in the theme editor, look for the header section on the left panel and click it. Now, click on Edit your logo in theme settings here. You'll see an option to upload an image for your logo. Click, select image and upload your file. Upload a photo here. Now, the uploading time depends on the size of the image. Once the upload is done, your logo will appear in the header preview. Let's see it. Just like this. You can also adjust the size and alignment to suit your source designs. Under the logo images, you'll see options to change the logo size and sometimes padding or alignments. Here, you can change the logo size and you can see many options like color, typography, etc. When you're happy with this, click Save in the upper right corner here to keep your modifications. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized your store's logo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out more tips for personalizing your Shopify store. See you in the next tutorial.